know what? Bill's just gonna like sit in this corner and just. Alright, we're gonna put Bill over here.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, there's like stuff over here, dude.
Get out of here, sister.
So we have Bill chilling over here now. Just gonna low key threaten the camera.
Do you have any idea what I'm like?
When I'm mad?
As you do.
You know,
As you do.
I think.
We had a plan going in.
We did. We had like.
We were gonna make Pokemon.
Yeah. Ah!
I like how you guys now get shy.
Listen, man, we got all of our good bits when you're in the bathroom, because apparently you shower when there's guests here.
I didn't shower. I brushed my teeth.
Oh, you took it.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Summer, you're not really you when you're hungry.
Have a Snicker,
It's
have
not
a
a-
pizza roll.
It's not a Snickers. Shh. Are they microwaves?
Yeah.
I demand oven baked. I'm kidding.
Takes them back, throws them in oven, brings them back without turning on oven.
Ah, perfect. With a nice soggy crisp of an oven.
Alright, do you want me to just dump Legos? How do you guys want to do this? You want them to the sides of us?
I don't know.
Set that to the questionable side of you. Actually, move that one. Man, I love when the recording is just my back. My back. My neck. That's backwards. It's fine. Recording.
And my crack.
Oh, would you like to see my original creation I made as a like 6-year-old?
Congratulations, you made a stick of dynamite.
I would like to introduce you to Spider-Man.
I don't think that.
He's beautiful.
Okay.
I love when my
Wait,
house is.
wait. Let me see him. Let me see him.
I think this was a police
A snack holder, you'll never know the difference.
Also, would you like to be introduced to Shadow?
How? What? That's a penguin! Like, what is that?
Would you guys like a stand to build your
Alright,
Pokemon
so like
on?
the side you can kinda like, alright, I can see the idea. Like the side we can like, alright, I can kinda see it, right?
Yeah.
And then you flip it.
You know, I'm kind of regretting inviting you guys.
Excuse you.
Look, in case you don't want to build your own shark, they made one for you.
Oh, well, I remember playing with these because Charlie kept these in his fish tank because he built castles and shit, and I wasn't allowed in his room, so I destroyed the castles.
You are chaotic evil. Would you like cave that I didn't build that I think Austin built?
Whoa, colorful.
Would you like questionable snowflake?
Why is it yellow?
What? It's a pea snowflake, I don't
The
want
yellow part isn't important.
It's on the inside.
Summer?
I can make a Pokeboo now, there's one orange. I'm good.
That's just it, that's your whole build right there.
Well, no, I need black too.
Oh, my bad.
Give me one black cube.
And sometimes you had to make do.
See a
Is that
headlight.
a coin?
It's Pumpkaboo.
Don't worry, that's not important.
It's Pumpkaboo.
Oh, hey, look it, it's Sonic.
The snoot. Oops.
Is it disappointed in me?
No, it's just the droop snoot. Yeah. Have you not been exposed to the droop snoot?
I guess I really haven't. Oh, she's pulling up a video.
You about to find out what the droop snoot is.
Out of the plane because of angled landing, engineers put together a solution.
The Concorde featured a droop snoot.
Droop snoot?
Yeah, the snoot would droop.
The snoot drooped.
The snoot drooped. What in the? Why is this Lego so long?
The real question is, why isn't your Lego long?
Look at.
My Lego's longer.
Can you explain your feelings in this drawing? Dustin, I'm really concerned about your mental health right now.
Look, I couldn't find the orange and purple blocks, so I just put a big X through them. That was it.
Sounds like you have
Deficiency
Anger-
of orange and purple blocks.
Listen, I think you have anger management issues, and I think you need to go get that checked out.
You gonna
Has
pay
a
for
little
it?
hat.
No, fuck no.
Did you eat all the pizza rolls?
Yeah.
I thought we were sharing the pizza rolls.
I thought they were all for me. It's my animal.
Gosh damn.
Hey, Dustin.
Yeah.
His name is Wilson.
He needs a little hat. Just be off to the side. Like a gentleman.
What's really important is the
That
friendship we
we're
built
here.
together.
That we're here together and love each other.
Questionably.
I built a gun.
That's rude.
Am I allowed to?
Yes. Tear his existence apart.
But he's
Shadow is
so,
not dead. What?
But he's so good.
He's good?
Yeah.
He's on camera, it's okay. His memory will be never forgotten. This isn't even Pokemon.
Wilson and friends.
Wilson and Friends.
Honestly.
The new sitcom.
Shadow no.
Yes, that's what I need. Yes, yes, I found it.
Okay. Damn man. Shadow be popping now. They really trimmed off his whole damn ear, didn't they? He's got a new fresh cut. Look at him. Here I went to the barber, eh? How much was that haircut, Summer?
60.
60 cents? Wow.
No, that's whole dollars, man.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
60 pizza rolls.
Hell yeah.
Look, Wilson needs one more eye. He needs to be even.
Look. Look.
There
I
he
provide
is.
an eye.
Fuck you. Summer already did.
Summer, it's your biggest fan.
Do you like Wilson?
Can I ask about his nose? What aspirations did you think of when you were trying to create Wilson's nose?
Yes.
What examples did you really pull from? What famous artists? Yes, continue.
You know, I just thought of snot. and snot is green usually. So he needed a big snotty nose.
Yeah, that's fair. Wow, look at. I found Shadow. He really has seen better days.
I don't think the store fits.
That's because that's a window. You're trying to put a door in a window.
Yeah?
You know what? Bill's just gonna like sit in this corner and just. Alright, we're gonna put Bill over here.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, there's like stuff over here, dude.
Get out of here, sister.
So we have Bill chilling over here now. Just gonna low key threaten the camera,
As you do.
You know,
as you do.
I think.
Just need to learn how to tree better, dude.
You know, sometimes it do be that way.
It do be that way.
There we go. And now. Ah!
Sister kick you so hard right now.
Jesus.
Do you like your Pikachu strong? That's what my real question is.
The ultimate weapon.
Scooter ankle?
What in the fuck is that?
It's a broken Scoodle.
Scoodle?
Scoodle.
You go.
You know, I take it back. This was a great idea. He looks like he needs a little more hips. He looks a little thin. Here, give him a little. There we go. Give him them female hips. Hell yeah.
Should I be concerned
There you
about
go.
you?
Look at. It's in its perfect state. This isn't quite what I envisioned, but it's better than what I imagined. I'm gonna be honest. So, would you guys like to demonstrate our creations of today?
So this is Doc Ock as a furry. He's a little upset, but you know, take your little gem piece. Yes, stick it in his belly. And voila, he's happy.
Wow, I didn't even see him transform.
Wow.
He just
He's got a
smiled.
little tail and everything. Look, it's just like the real thing.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, yeah.
What's the gem do?
You don't want to know what the gem does. Guys, look what I just built.
Wow.
Boat.
R2D2 needs
Built it on my own 2 hands.
Wilson.
Look, there's even tiny treasure chests back there that I totally knew about. Look at that. But
So, Harm, what's your... No, that doesn't... Harm, what's your creation?
So this is Wilson.
Wow, tell us about Wilson. What was your idea behind making Wilson?
He good? He's got 3 or 4 umbrellas, depending on how you count them.
He's so happy. Can he fly?
No.
Can I ask why he has not R2D2
No.
on his back?
That's his friend.
What's its name?
R2, fuck you.
Can I ask about your other 2 creations here?
No.
My creation has been perfected.
I don't know how I feel about that there,
Yeah, I'm
mister.
just gonna ignore that.
We're just gonna pretend that here, you know what?
No,
Doesn't
he's good.
exist.
Wait, hang
He's
on.
good.
He's not
He's
here.
good.
We'll take
But-
this. Listen, the thing that you created forever ago, it looks a lot better than what you just created right now.
There's no snackies under there
That's 'cause
anymore.
I just ate them, dog. So
Hey, wait. Hey, Summer.
it was like that.
Summer.
Ooh.
Hey, Harm. Up dog. You ever heard of Up Dog?
No. I'm not helping you finish that.
I'm gonna name him Pad
Pad.
for Pikachu.
Oh no.
He's the pad of Pikachus.
He gets used every month and tossed in the trash.
Yeah,
That's why his eyes are red.
Again.
Yep.
I'm not crying.
He's your weird buff cousin that shows up and
I've improved.
yeah.
I've improved. Fuck.
Yes. Good.
Hyperspeed! Go!
I'm missing a paw.
Suck.
Paw down! Paw down! Where's it at? Ah! I lost a paw piece.
You lost your blue clue.
Lost my
Lost
paw
my
piece
will
in
to
life.
live.
You lost your poppins. I actually hate it.
This is what happens.
You could really say that was pawful.
Yeah, you could say that.
I'm gonna
Or you could say it's
kill
awful,
myself.
like a normal person. You freaking freak.
This is the furry. Hey guys, Spider-Man goes to the park. He gets his little top. He's so happy.
That's why he's Peter Parker. 'Cause he goes to the park. Alright?
Was he Peter then?
Listen, you don't want to know that one. Alright. Some things are better left unknown. What is this?
Summer.
What is...
Love is an open door. Where's the sausage? Where's the sausage? Love is an open door.
I
Okay,
forgot
okay.
about the bird.
You saved him.
You forgot. What's its name? Last name?
Cock.
Hold on. Cock and Fuck's Greatest Adventure.